All right, time for Advent of Code, day 7, 2023. Okay, it's poker. The first card in each hand. Each hand wins an amount equal to its bid multiplied by its rank. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do is let's do this. S is equals s dot split on the space, and then bid is equal to ss1 int dot pass, and var cards is equal to ss0 dot select. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that there's a T in there. Okay. If C is equal to T, then return 10. If C is equal to J, return 11. Q, K, A, 11, 12, 13, 14. Else return C and XF. Okay, and we're going to return the cards. Bid, right. Okay, so next is I'm going to write a function called compare cards. So this one's going to be .toList int cards 1, list int cards 2. Int get hand type. Alright, so hand type 1 equals get hand type cards 1. If hand type 1 is not equal to hand type 2, then return hand type 1 dot compare to hand type 2. Else for int I equals 0, I is less than to 5, I plus plus. If cards 1 equals that, but this should be I, then we continue. Else return cards I dot compare to that one. I guess these are the same then in that case. So then this one, what we want to do is var sorted equals cards dot order by Okay, so we sorted the cards. Now what are the things again? So 5 cards. So let's go if cards dot all. Let me just do counts equals new dictionary int oh god int for each card and cards. I didn't need to sort it, but counts card is equal to counts dot get value or default card 0 plus 1. Okay, so if counts dot count is equal to 1, then we return, what's this? 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Return 6 is 5 of a kind. If count.counts is equal to 2, then that means that if counts.values.max equals 4, then return 5. Full house is if counts dot, I think I can just do count is equal to 2 because, yeah, return 4. 3 of a kind if counts.values.max equals 3, then we'll return 3. If it's 2 of a pair, then we return 2. 2 pair is actually, this should be if counts.values if counts.count equals 3, then we know it has to be 2, 2, 1. So yeah, then it's 2 pair. Then this is so 5 of a kind, 4 of a kind, 5 of a kind, 4 of a kind. Full house, 3 of a kind. I think I skipped one. I should have done this. It should be 3. Then this should be 2. Then this should be 1. Then we return 0. Okay. Okay. So then let's go through each of these. I'm just going to get rid of that. Sorted cards equals wait, let me just check the puzzle input. What does it look like? Okay, so hands and bids dot sort order by descending. Sort. Okay, screw this. I'll just do. Well, how do I sort again? Let me just do it by array. What's the overload for a comparer again? Oh my god. Screw it. How do I sort by compare function again? This is embarrassing. Oh my god, class cards comparer. Can't believe I'm doing this. Man, this is taking forever. I should have... okay. So then the answer is... weakest hand gets rank 1. Okay. So int I equals 1, or 0. I is less than to hands and bids dot length. Long score equals 0. So score is plus equal to I plus 1 times hands and bids I dot item dot bid. Okay, that took forever, but yeah, I spent way too long on this. Well, that's unfortunate. That's I. Let me try again. Okay, drank 298. Okay, so then this one I just do J cards are now the weakest. So let's just do -1. Okay, interesting. Okay, interesting. So counts dot get value or default. So what we could do is okay, for this one, what we do is or J count is greater than 0 and counts.count equals 2. Yep. Okay. Then full house. This one's 4 of a kind. Or I think I can do that. If the J count plus the max. I want to do if card is equal to -1, then continue. But J count equals 0. This should make it easier. So now if there's only 1, then that means that it will be good. Yep, okay. Full house detection, so this one, I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Right? Then this one is just plus J count here. And this one's plus J count. This one is going to be harder. It's the I think this works. Let me just try it. But let's try that. Yes, let's go. I mean, I didn't get in the top leaderboard, but I'm still happy with that time. All right, thanks for watching.